Who wants casino bonuses? Who understands the terms? No worries, we're going to explain what you need to know about the terms of a bonus. Let's start with the best part. How much bonus money can you get? And the answer is, it depends. Each casino offers different amounts, and there's multiple types of bonuses, including match deposit bonuses, no deposit bonuses, free spins, and so much more. But don't get overwhelmed. You can find the right bonuses for you at our site, CasinoHawks.com. Next up is the wagering requirement. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. The wagering requirement tells you how much you need to bet before you can redeem the money won with the bonus. So if you deposit £100 and the wagering requirement for that bonus is 15, then you have to wager a minimum of £1,500 to withdraw the winnings that come from that bonus. Nothing lasts forever, not even bonuses. That's why the next factor you need to check is the bonus's expiration date. An expired bonus is of no use to anybody, so check the expiration date in the fine print and be sure to play through your bonus money on time. The next important topic we're going to cover here is game restrictions. Usually, bonus money can be used in almost any game. But the type of game can change how much of your wager will accumulate towards your wagering requirement. For example, a £1 wager on a slot game will usually accumulate 100%, but if you wagered on a table game, you might only accumulate 50% or 50p. These percentages change based on which casino you're playing at, so be sure to carefully read through all the game restrictions. The final part of the bonus terms we want to cover is the minimum deposit. Most of the time, this is set to a low amount, such as £10 or £20. But if the minimum deposit is much higher than that, you might want to rethink opting in. Now you're ready to take full advantage of casino bonuses. To keep learning how to optimize your gameplay, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our site, CasinoHawks.com.